Schedule of daily activities, social and spiritual programs, and day trips to help the ladies stay active. All services, including medication administration, meals, transportation, and laundry, are provided for all Watson Home residents. Watson Memorial Home also has our own on-site medical team, including a physician, physician's assistant, registered nurse, and LPNs to ensure the very best medical care for the ladies. And all medical bills and prescriptions are paid for by the home. There are no financial minimum requirements to be accepted as a resident at Watson Memorial Home. So if you or a loved one is looking for a wonderful home that provides exceptional care, I encourage you to call for more information or to schedule a tour at 723-8310.
Have you noticed how yard and garden cleanup requires a lot of stuff? Youngsville Hardware has everything you need. Lawn stuff like seeding and weeding stuff. Tools like rakes, shovels, spades, cultivators, hoses, and fittings. And hey, got mulch? Youngsville Hardware's got mulch. You'll find just the color and type you want. Don't forget, Youngsville